Welcome to our quick guide on enabling automatic photo downloads in WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you're tired of manually saving every image from chats, this will set it and forget it so you can focus on the conversations that matter. First, open WhatsApp Web and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're connected to the internet and your phone stays linked to the same account so all your chats sync correctly. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar where your chats are listed. This is where you'll access the settings you need. From the left sidebar, click on the settings icon. It's usually represented by a gear or 3 vertical dots depending on your browser, and it's located near the bottom of the panel. Selecting this opens a new set of options that control how WhatsApp handles your media. Next, choose the Chats option. This section holds various chat-related preferences, including how media is managed when you receive messages. In WhatsApp's latest layout, you'll find the Media Auto Download section within Chats. Tap or click on Media Auto Download to proceed. Within Media Auto Download, you'll see options for photos, audio, videos, and documents. You want to focus on photos, check the box or toggle the switch next to photos to enable automatic downloading of photo media. If the app presents separate settings for when you're on Wi-Fi or using mobile data, enable photos under both categories to ensure images download regardless of your connection type. After enabling Photos Auto Download, you can customize further by inspecting any additional prompts or options that appear. Some versions offer subsettings like when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Adjust these according to your data preferences and plan. If you prefer to save bandwidth, you might choose to disable auto download on mobile data while keeping it on Wi-Fi. To confirm that the change took effect, return to a recent chat and have a friend or contact send you a few photos. They should appear automatically in your chat window without requiring a manual save. This makes it much easier to view and organize images as soon as they arrive. If you ever want to revert, simply follow the same steps and uncheck the Photos option. You can toggle other media types on or off in the same section to tailor how WhatsApp Web handles media for your needs. With these steps, your photo workflow on WhatsApp Web becomes effortless, keeping your conversations visually accessible without extra steps.